When the sellers first called me on this property, it was a TLC type property or an investor special property or investors only property. Now, it wasn't as bad as some of the places I see where I feel like I need to burn my clothes afterwards, but it needed a lot of work. We could have sold it that way. I sold a number of homes just last year in that condition, but we did the work and research and found that by investing in completely redoing the property, 90% redoing the property, we could get more than twice that cost back in value. So I'm going to show you through this place. Just so you know, we put $11,000 in contractor work, painting, some small fix-ups, blinds, baseboards, things like that, and another $6,000 in carpet. And this is what we got. What the sellers loved most about this process is they're out of state. They couldn't have done this whole project themselves. So like I do on many of my projects, my whole team took care of everything. We handled all the scheduling. We handled all the contractor questions. We got it done. It's clean. Photos are today and it's ready to go on the market. If you know anybody in need that wants to reevaluate their property and say, should we update this? Should we do some work? Have me come over, because not everything is typically a yes, we should do it. Sometimes it's like we're putting $1 in and getting a dime back. We want to make sure you're getting more than a return on your money. Call me with any questions. Thank you.